Hello, welcome to Faye and Dan's Travels. We've got a giveaway result today.
We have,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Christmas puddings.
It's for these. Oh
Lovely.
yeah. Wouldn't mind one of these myself.
I've had to buy Dan one of these,
You
so
have.
we'll part with these.
If we're honest, yeah,
Yeah.
that's the truth. Yeah, and I haven't
It's
eaten
alright,
it
we've
yet.
got one. Don't worry.
Have we?
Yeah, it's alright.
It's so nice.
We can give these away, it'll be okay. So, comment select.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
so
we'll
let's
run it.
Let's
Fingers
run it.
crossed. Do you feel lucky? Ooh. There we go. Got our first winner. Omar Far Away.
Oh wow!
Well done. You'll be ever so pleased. Go for mince pies. That's lovely. So, second one. Gonna run the comment select. Fingers crossed for you. Who's it gonna be? Garlic bread.
Garlic bread. I haven't heard of that one before.
That's an unusual name.
Yeah.
Well done, garlic bread. You look very tasty.
Hope you enjoy it with the pizza.
Yeah. Congratulations to you. So let us know via my email, faye@eworkflow.co.uk, your postal address, and we'll get that off to you. And we'll have to see where these are winging their way to.
Absolutely.
Lovely. Congratulations. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Have a good one, and we'll see you in the new year.
We certainly will.